Chinese aircraft carrier spotted near Taiwan and Philippines. Recent satellite imagery shows a Chinese aircraft carrier near contested waters in the Pacific. The Taiwanese Defense Ministry confirmed the presence of the CNS Liaoning off its southeast coast. This development raises tensions between China, Taiwan, and the United States in the region. The aircraft carrier's transit highlights ongoing military activities in the contested waters. Both China and Taiwan remain silent on this significant military movement in the Pacific. Stay updated with our latest news by subscribing to our channel.